Wow! New site of Cycling Craft Master here in Al-Ain Cycling Track. Ito na yung track natin. What's up mga karanda? This is Kay Harry, isang siklistang Pilipina ng Pangasinan for today's vlog. So we will be riding today here in Cycling Track. Short ride lang and chill ride lang talaga kasi nga marami pa kaming gagawin. Kaya natin ito. Woo! Let's go! Crank Masters. Hi, Sherry!
Hi, how are you?
Minzaman. Sige. So, mag-ride muna tayo pero short ride lang. Ayan, dito tayo ngayon sa Crank Masters. And kita natin yung Starbucks behind me. So, ayan. And I just want to say and tell you why mag-ride tayo again. Kasi nga, it's been a long time since wala tayo ride. But, shout out na rin sa aking mga gamit today. Gobik. And I have Siruko. Babe. Let's go. Next, shout out to my beautiful, handsome husband, Aaron po. Sharifa. Daylight today. Hindi pa na-upgrade yung wheelset ko. Ang tagal-tagal na, guys. Yes, the best. So, hello guys. Ang ganda na ng bagong place ngayon ng bike shop, Crank Master. Kasi ano na siya, accessible na siya dito sa cycling track. And ayun, solo ride na lang tayo. Wala na sina ate. Kasi nga late na din tayo nakarating. Ayun guys! Let's ride for the last time here in UAE. Last ride ko na ngayon kasi papapak ko na yung bike ko later on. Tapos, ano, let's see kung paano yung mangyari. Watch out for my vlog! Let's go! Woo! Let's go! Solo ride again for today's video. Woo! Last ride this year. Last ride, I mean. Let's go! So guys, kanina pa ako nag-struggle mag-isa. Buti na lang. Meron ako nakita dito sa harap. Tatlo sila. Tutok na lang ako. Woo! Oh my God! After so many months, walang ride. Yun. Sabi, hapos. Let's go. Headwheel, badala. Uphill. Uphill. Whew. So, nauna na ako sa mga tinututukan ko kanina kasi mayroon sila ng tubig sa likod. Ayan. At dito sa UAE talaga, as in, ano yung parang, wow, supported lahat, pati mga siklista, gumagawa pa sila ng maraming bike lanes and cycling track. Lalo na sa Dubai, there's a lot of cycling track there. I really love to ride here in the UAE, but yeah, God is calling us to another place. And we will be moving soon. And with that movement, ito na yung last ride ko. After a long months of not having a ride because of business, family, and stuff. That's why ito na yung update ko, guys. And ang init na. Alam mo yung naglipas na yung winter and now magsa-summer na. Ngayon pala ako nakapag-ride. Like after a year. But I'm back now. But then, my last ride again. So, wala pa sila kuya. I need to check on them. Let's go. Sabi na eh. Hello! Akala. Morning! Ako lang! Banding kayo. Let's go! Oh. Ensayado ang tatay at ang anak. Dami na ako, Kuya Richie! Nice one. Woo! 14 kilometers. Taaban. Tired. Guys, may nakita ako. Dapat Chile. Alam nyo ba to? Ha? Childhood thing. Grabe. Yay! Almost done! Good job, guys! Yan, guys. Kukuha tayo. Wow. Nalagpasan na nila ako lahat-lahat. Kuha muna ako kasi malapit naman ng matapos. Mga siguro 4 or 3 kilometers na lang and we're done with our ride. Hindi yan mo ato ita, rich kid kayo gamin. Nya. Hindi nyo alam to kasi rich kid. Wow, dami. Uy. Let's go. Another 5 kilometers. Kanina ko, nagsagpat! Hindi matamis. Pero, let's go. Last 3 kilometers. Mind me. Enjoy the ride. Woo! Almost done. Let's go. Sa wakas. Mainit na rin. Magpudot. Pero I enjoy this ride. Okay pa yung weather pero mainit na. Eric in the house.
Kas na kami tumawar ng tan.
2.5 daw, best! Yan, 2.5. Yay!
Uwi na kayo, kuya? O, sige, ingat.
Bye-bye, kuya. Kuya, bye-bye po. Oo. Bye-bye. Ito tayo? Ninongs and Isaiah.
Amoyin mo yung amoy siklista.
Gusto niya mag-bike yan.
Naamo na, naamo.
Naamo?
Kampay makako eh.
Makadaanin mo sa naamo.
Shout out ang oldies niya ngayon.
Wala na, goodbye na kay Gay.
Bye, Boris.
See you soon. See you there.
Mag-visit ka na lang dito pag Grand
Oo.
Pondo. Para may vlog ka.
Hindi ako nagpa-vlog ng Grand Pondo. Ay, nako. Ganda Crank Masters.
Canada. Canada.
Crank Masters here in Kuya Gino Bartali na may stiff neck. Last ride din. Pero baka mag-ride pa ako sa susunod. Let's see. Hiram na lang ako ng bike. Pero ipapapak ko na yung bike ko. And we're still here in cycling track. With Isaiah! Isaiah! Hello! This is the way, guys. So if you want to ride here in Al Ain, UAE, just go to Crank Masters Bike and they will assist you. And of course, here in the track. So guys, we're done with our ride and yeah, we're gonna go back later for the packing of my bike since we're going away. And this is my last ride here in UAE. So let's go, and thank you guys for watching my vlog, and hope to see you again on my next vlog, which is packing of my bike because we're going away and we're going out from UAE na. So yun, ciao.